Greetings everyone, this is Christopher from OneTechStop.net. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Lumia 535, which we have before me. A dual SIM variant with an orange dot, meaning it is most likely going to be an orange device. I did take a quick look at it earlier. Bright orange, it is confirmed. It does say not for sale. Whether that means there's any difference between this and a retail device, I don't know. It shows you the various colours: orange, white, black, blue, green, and that looks like black again. Qualcomm Snapdragon. Here we are. That is the device itself. And we'll open up and see what we're given. Set of headphones this time. Not something we've had in our last couple of Lumias that we've unboxed. A battery, which I believe is about 1950. 1905 actually, milliamp hours. And a charger, no data cable. At least not in this box. Maybe there will be one in yours, who knows. It does seem to be a fashion for the lower end devices, and by lower end I mean lower price devices, to come without a data cable. There's the quick start guide, which I would imagine gives us specification, who knows. I'm not 100% sure on the Lumia 535 spec. I'm pretty sure it's a quad-core processor, I believe 1.2 GHz. I'm going to have to confirm that. Actually, that device looks really nice. I do like the build of this. The headphone jack. Personally, I think this is much nicer than the matte finish of the Lumia 520 and the 530, which replaced that. Not to be confused with this. It does actually feel very bendy though, I will make that point. Maybe it's because there's no battery in it yet. We'll put that in and see how it feels. There's your SIM card slot 1 and 2, and that is your micro SIM slot, which takes up to 128 gigabit micro SD card. Unlike the Lumia 520, this does have a front-facing camera. I'll just power it on. Looking at the power buttons, you've got the volume up and down, you've got the power button, no camera key, unlike the 520 again. There's the Microsoft logo. And actually the screen looks fairly good. It does have a kind of reflective quality in the display, which was the same on the 520 and the 625, I believe. Well, I've got to find English. I will certainly be bringing you more on the Lumia 535, which comes with a 5 megapixel rear and front camera, and comes with a flash. Again, unlike the Lumia 520, didn't have a flash. I've got to try and find English. I have to restart the phone in order to switch it on. Well, while this does that, I'll say with the battery in, the device does feel a lot more solid, a lot stronger. And actually, I think that's a 5-inch display at 540 by 960, a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. No hardware keys. No hardware Windows keys. This will have, as we saw on the 730, there you go, the flick up and down, although they're not seeming to go. You were able to remove these keys, but maybe after we've set it up we'll be able to do that. Great. I will be back with a hands-on of this device, which I think is very attractive. Please let us know your thoughts, your comments, or any questions. You can leave them in the comments section or find us on Twitter. Links will be in the video description box. Thank you ever so much for watching. This is Christopher for OneTechStop.net. Take care.